Solve system of linear equations by matrix method. Now we will understand this matrix method. That is a very important method. Now here first equation is 2x minus y equal to minus 2, 3x plus 4y equal to 3. Look here, this is given to you linear pair of linear equation in two variable. And these equations we solve by graph, substitution method, elimination method, cross method. We have many methods, but here you have to use the matrix method. So what is the matrix method? You have to understand. You have to change in a matrix. So how we can change? Look here, this 2 minus 1, this is first row, second row is 3 and 4, and then you write the x and y, and last is minus 2 and 3. This first is a, second is x and equal to b. Look here, if you multiply both side by a inverse, then you will get a inverse into a, x equal to a inverse b, and this a inverse a is I, and I into x is x, that is a inverse b. So look here, with the help of this equation we will find the value of x and y. How we can find? Look here we have to find first a inverse. So what is a? A is given to you 2, 3, minus 1 and 4, and that you change in determinant. So determinant will be equal to 2, minus 1, 3 and 4. This determinant, and value of determinant you have to find. 2 4 is 8, minus and minus 3. So you get 8 and 11. So a determinant you get 11. A determinant you get 11. Now look here, this is not equal to 0. This is not equal to 0 means you can system of equations is consistent. Means you can find the value of x and y. How we can find? Look here, you will find the a inverse. For a inverse you have to find a adjoint, and for adjoint you will find here cofactors, capital A11, capital A12, a capital 2A21, a capital A22. These cofactors you find, plus, minus, minus and plus. Look here, when you take A11 means first row and first column you will not take, means you take 4. Then you take A12 means first row and second column you not take, means you write here 3. Then you will write 21 means second row and first column you not take, means minus 1. Then you will take a 2 means second row and second column you not take, means 2. So look here, you get 4, minus 3, 1 and 2. Look here, by these you will find here adjoint A. So look here, adjoint A will be equal to 4, minus 3, 1 and 2, and transpose you do. So adjoint A we get 4 and minus 3 will be first row will become first column, and second row will become second column. This is adjoint A. Now how we can find A inverse? A inverse will be adjoint A divided by A determinant. So adjoint A already we know, divided by A determinant means 1 upon 11. 1 upon 11, 4, 1, minus 3 and 2. This is A inverse we get. Now you will put the value in equation 1. So when you put in equation 1, what we get? X equal to A inverse B. And X you know already. What is X? X and Y. And A inverse what we have? A inverse we have 1 upon 11, 4, 1, minus 3 and 2. And here you have B. B is minus 2 and 3. Look here, you have to solve these. How we can solve? Look here. 1 upon 11 will be as it is, 4 into minus 2, minus 8, and 1 into 3 is 3. So that calculation is minus 5. Similarly for the second row, we have minus 3 into minus 2, we have 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 and 6, 12 we have. So look here, what is we have x and y we have minus 5 upon 11 and 12 upon 11. So here you can write the answer x equal to minus 5 upon 11 and y equal to 12 upon 11. Hope you understand this solution.